everybody. Thanks for stopping in on this Saturday afternoon. Sara Lee Pound Cake Sunday. Hey guys, what is Sara Lee Pound Cake? Some whipped topping, chocolate syrup, some Klondike ice cream, nuts, and a cherry have in common? There you go, right yonder. If you have an inkling for a sweet tooth on a Saturday afternoon, this is the way to go. It's easy, it's simple, and so very delicious. So let's get started. First thing I want you to do is take your Sara Lee pound cake, lay it down on a cutting board, take your Klondike bar, set it on top. We want this to be about the same dimensions. It's about 3 by 3. Then take your pound cake, cut it down the middle right yonder, like that. Put it in the microwave for 30 seconds to heat it up. While that's heating, let's take a chilled plate and dress this plate up a little bit so it's pretty. Hit it with some chocolate syrup. Make any design you want. It don't really matter, just as long as it's pretty. Then take a piece of that pound cake, lay it on bottom, hit it with some chocolate syrup. Then take your Klondike ice cream, set that on top, hit it with more chocolate syrup. Take the other piece of pound cake, set it on top, and you guessed it, more chocolate syrup. Hit it with a blob of whipped topping. Look at that. We ain't done with the chocolate yet, guys. Hit it with some chocolate sprinkles. And you guessed it, more chocolate. Chocolate chips. Man, look at that. Woo, doggy. This is going to be great. And hit it with some nuts. You like nuts? Go ahead and throw them on there. It don't really matter. We're going to finish this off with a cherry on top. And there you go. You got a dessert that is absolutely scrumptious. It's easy to do. Hey guys, I hope you give this dessert a try. It's really delicious and it's simple to do. Thanks for stopping in. I really do appreciate it. If you appreciate this video, hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you like. And until next time, see you later. Bye-bye, y'all.